Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening a terminal and gaining administrative rights. This lets you refresh package metadata. First, run sudo apt update to fetch current lists from repositories so apt knows what changed. Once done, review output for held or obsolete packages. Make sure no interactive prompts are pending. This step only downloads metadata, it does not upgrade software yet. By doing this first, you avoid version conflicts and ensure the next commands will install the latest available packages correctly. Now you apply updates. Start with sudo apt upgrade to upgrade installed packages in a predictable way. This preserves current dependencies. If you need kernel or package replacements that require removing packages, use sudo apt full upgrade instead, but only after checking what will be removed. Once upgraded, run sudo apt auto remove to clear orphan libraries and free disk space. Make sure to read prompts. Accept changes when confident. If a large kernel updated, plan a reboot to activate the new kernel. To finish, reboot when kernel or core system packages were updated so changes take effect. Use sudo reboot. If something fails, run sudo apt fix broken install to attempt repairs, and then sudo dpkg configure to reconfigure interrupted installs. You can also rerun sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to retry. If problems persist, inspect /var/log/apt/history. Log and app lists for clues, and remove problematic third-party repos. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.